Easy cooking phrases in English. Chop, mix, and serve, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a tasty topic that combines English language learning with the art of cooking. We'll explore the phrases chop, mix, and serve, three simple words that hold great importance in both cooking and language learning. Whether you're a budding chef or just eager to expand your English vocabulary, this video is for you. Let's get started. Chop is a versatile word that you'll often encounter in the kitchen. To chop means to cut something into pieces using a sharp tool, like a knife. It's a fundamental skill in cooking, essential for preparing ingredients. When you chop vegetables, meats, or fruits, you're breaking them down into smaller, more manageable sizes. This makes them easier to cook and eat. But chop isn't just about the act. It's about precision and care in preparation. Next, we have mix. Mixing is the action of combining two or more ingredients together until they're evenly distributed. This can be done with a spoon, a mixer, or even your hands, depending on what you're making. Mixing is crucial in cooking and baking, ensuring that flavors meld together beautifully. It's also a metaphor for blending different ideas or cultures, showing how English can connect us in diverse ways. Lastly, serve moves beyond the kitchen, touching on presentation and sharing. To serve means to present food to be eaten, but it also embodies the joy of offering what you've made to others. Serving is not just about placing food on a plate. It's an act of hospitality and love, showing care for those who will enjoy the meal. In language learning, serve reminds us to share our knowledge and help others grow. There you have it. Chop, mix, and serve, three simple phrases that open up a world of culinary adventure and language learning. We hope this video not only helps you improve your English vocabulary but also inspires you to try new things in the kitchen. Remember, cooking, like language, is about expressing yourself and connecting with others. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy cooking and learning!